Hello, this is creativelymsme, and I wanted to show you the progress I did on cleaning and organizing my refrigerator. After watching some of you ladies that I follow here on YouTube, I got a lot of good ideas, and I tried to do my own version for my refrigerator to make it easier for me. I have the tray for the eggs, the tray for the water. I have a dollar store tray that I keep the canned fruit in that my fiance loves to have chilled all the time. And I've cleaned it out very well. And then the next thing I'll be doing is going buying groceries and making everything work. So thank you ladies for your videos. Hope I did you justice. And you please like and subscribe to my channel and have a blessed day.